Hey guys, this is Greyson Brooks. I also run a channel on Instagram called Brooks and Hooks. Today we're out at the Panhandle Overland Rally, testing out some new SumoSprings that we just got installed on the Tacoma today. We're out here on the trail trying to push them to the limit, and immediately right away we're noticing a lot of suspension dampening. It's a lot less harsh over the bumps, and you like big bumps that we're going over. It feels a lot smoother. Yeah. Really enjoying these so far.